Welcome to the topic, Emily Gets a New Puppy. Watch as Emily, our animated heroine, brings home a cute new dog and learns all about pet care. Let's start the story. At the pet store, choosing the puppy.
Oh, look at this little puppy, Jack. He has such soft fur and big brown eyes.
Yes, Emily, he's a golden retriever mix. Very friendly and loves to play with kids.
I want to adopt him right now. What's his name? Or can I choose one?
He doesn't have a name yet. You can pick whatever you like for him.
I'll call him Max. It sounds strong and fun for a dog.
Great choice. Max will be a wonderful pet for you at home.
How old is Max? Is he still a baby puppy?
He's about 3 months old. Perfect age to start training him.
I need to buy some food and toys. What do you recommend for beginners?
Start with puppy kibble and a chew toy. They're easy to use.
Kibble. What's that mean? I've never heard it before.
Kibble is dry dog food in small pieces. It's healthy and crunchy.
Okay, got it. And a leash, too, for walking him outside.
Yes, a red leash would match his fur nicely. Here, let me show you.
This is so exciting. I can't wait to take him home.
Remember to get a bed for him. Puppies need a cozy spot to sleep.
Good idea. How much does everything cost together?
Around $50 for the basics. We have a discount today.
Perfect. I'll pay now and sign the adoption papers.
All right, Emily. Congratulations on your new family member, Max.
Thank you, Jack. This is the best day ever.
Come back anytime if you need more advice on pet care.
I will. Bye for now, and thanks again.
At home, introducing Max to the house.
Welcome home, Max. This is our living room where we relax.
Wow, Emily, you really got a puppy? He looks so energetic and playful.
Yes, Alex. His name is Max. Isn't he adorable with those floppy ears?
He is cute, but does he know any tricks yet?
Not yet, but I'll teach him to sit and stay soon.
Make sure he doesn't chew on my shoes. They're my favorites.
Don't worry. I'll buy him his own toys to play with.
Good plan. Where will he sleep at night?
In a crate in my room. It's safe and comfortable for puppies.
Crate? Like a small cage? Is that okay for him?
Yes, it's for training. Puppies feel secure in their own space.
All right, I trust you. Let's see if he likes the backyard.
Great idea. Max, come here, boy. Follow us outside.
He's already wagging his tail. He seems happy here.
I think so too. This is going to be fun for all of us.
Just remember to clean up after him. No messes inside.
Of course, Alex. I'll handle all the responsibilities.
If you need help walking him, I can join sometimes.
That would be awesome. Thanks for being supportive.
No problem. Welcome to the family, little Max.
Hear that, Max? You're part of our home now.
Let's get him some water. He might be thirsty after the ride.
In the park, first walk with Max.
Come on, Max. Let's walk around the park. It's so nice outside today.
Hello there. Your puppy is very lively. What's his name?
Hi, Tom. This is Max. It's his first time here.
He seems to love it. Look at him sniffing the grass.
Yes, everything is new to him. He's only 3 months old.
Puppies grow fast. Make sure to socialize him with other dogs.
Socialize? What does that mean exactly for pets?
It means letting him meet and play with others, to be friendly.
Oh, I see. That's important for good behavior.
Exactly. There's a dog park nearby if you want to try.
Maybe next time. Today, we're just exploring this area.
good start. Watch out for squirrels. They might excite him.
He already chased one earlier. It was funny.
Puppies are full of energy. How often do you walk him?
Twice a day, morning and evening. Is that enough?
For a young one, yes. Build up as he gets older.
Thanks for the tips. You're a big help, Tom.
No worries. I have 2 dogs myself at home.
Wow, that must be busy but fun every day.
It is. Enjoy your walk with Max. See you around.
Bye, Tom. Max, let's keep going. Good boy.
One more thing. Always carry poop bags. Keep the park clean.
I have some in my pocket. Thanks again.
At the vet clinic, health check for Max.
We're at the vet now, Max. Don't be scared, okay?
Hello, Emily. This must be your new puppy, Max.
Yes, doctor. I want to make sure he's healthy.
Let's check him out. First, I'll listen to his heart.
Is everything okay? He seems active at home.
His heartbeat is strong. Now for vaccinations.
Vaccinations? Are those shots to prevent diseases?
Yes, exactly. They protect against things like rabies.
Rabies? That's a serious illness for animals, right?
Correct. It can spread to humans too, so important.
Okay, please give him what he needs today.
He'll get a few. It might sting a little.
Poor Max. Shh, it's okay, buddy. Be brave.
There, done. He was a good boy through it.
He whimpered a bit, but didn't cry much.
Now about food. Feed him puppy formula for growth.
I have kibble. Is that the right kind?
Yes, but add wet food sometimes for variety.
Got it. How often should I bring him back?
Every 6 months for checkups. Call if issues arise.
Thank you, doctor. Max looks happier already.
You're welcome. Take this pamphlet on pet care.
I will read it tonight. Bye for now.
Safe travels home. Take care of Max.
In the kitchen, preparing Max's meal.
Time to make your dinner, Max. Let's make some kibble.
Hey, Emily, I smell something good from next door.
Hi, Mike. It's just Max's meal. Want to see?
Sure, what are you putting in his bowl?
Dry kibble and a bit of canned chicken for flavor.
Sounds tasty. Does he eat vegetables too?
Sometimes carrots. They're good for his teeth.
Carrots help clean them. That's interesting to know.
Yes, like natural brushes. Puppies need healthy snacks.
I had a dog once. He loved peanut butter treats.
Peanut butter? Is that safe for dogs?
Yes, but plain. No sugar or xylitol. Xylitol is bad.
Xylitol? What's that? I've never heard of it.
It's a sweetener in some foods, toxic to dogs.
Oh, thanks for warning me. I'll check labels.
No problem. Max is growing fast already.
He is. Look how he wags his tail for food.
He's excited. Feed him before he jumps up.
Here you go, Max. Eat slowly, okay?
If you need dog sitting help, just ask me.
That would be great. Thanks, neighbor.
Anytime. Enjoy your evening with him.
We will. Bye, Mike. Come over again soon.
At the dog training class, learning commands.
Okay, Max. Today we learn to sit and stay.
Welcome, Emily. Max looks ready for training.
Thanks, Coach. How do we start with commands?
Hold a treat high, say sit, and push his bottom gently.
Like this? Sit, Max. Good boy.
Perfect. Now reward him right away.
He did it. That was quick.
Next is stay. Say it and step back slowly.
Stay, Max. Don't move yet.
If he moves, bring him back and try again.
He stayed. You're smart, Max.
Practice daily at home for best results.
We will. What about come command?
Call his name and come, then praise when he does.
Max, come here. Yes, that's it.
Excellent. Use positive tone always.
Positive? Like happy voice, not yelling?
Yes, dogs respond better to encouragement.
Got it. This class is so helpful.
Glad to hear. One more. Down for lying.
Down, Max. Lie on the ground.
Reward with pets, too, not just treats.
He loves belly rubs. Look at him roll.
Fun session. See you next week.
Thanks, Coach Ben. Max, let's go home proud.
Bedtime story. Reflecting on the day with Max.
It's bedtime, Max. What a busy day we had.
Hey, cousin, how's life with your new puppy?
Hi, Lucas. Max is amazing. We went to training today.
Tell me more. Did he learn any new tricks?
Yes, sit, stay, and come. He's a quick learner.
That's cool. Puppies bring so much joy home.
They do, but it's also work, like feeding and walking.
True. Remember to groom him regularly, too.
Groom? Like brushing his fur?
Yes, and clipping nails. Keeps him healthy.
I'll add that to my list. Thanks for the reminder.
No worries. How does he sleep at night?
In his crate, but tonight he's on the bed for cuddles.
Oh, that's sweet. He must love you already.
I think so. He's yawning now.
Bedtime for him. Share photos tomorrow.
I will. Good night, Lucas. Sweet dreams.
Night, Emily. Hug Max for me.
Will do. Max, time to sleep. Shh. Close your eyes.
One last thing. You're a great pet owner.
Thanks. It feels rewarding every day.
Totally. Talk soon. Bye.
Bye. What an adventure, Max. I'm so happy.
And that's Emily's wonderful start with her new puppy, Max. Keep practicing English with more fun stories like this.